Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the settings application here. After that, scroll here to the home screen and lock screen, scroll down and tap here to the always on display. Here we can change the display options. We can change to show our always on display feature from all day just to schedule. We can set here the start time and the end time, or only, for example, in power saving mode, or I'll stay with it all day. Then just click here to save. Here we can just select the notifications, battery status, date and time if we want to show them on our always on display here. And we can also hear the custom different patterns and just images, just stickers to use them on the always on display here. We can change the color of this. Also we can here change the what that will be the fastest or just bold, I think, of this line. Okay, we can change it here. We can change the shape. Okay, also for example, we can create our own pattern or just this one, so that's look beautiful. Then just click here to OK, and for example we can add this new our custom theme to our always on display. Here we can change the color if you want. For example, I'll stay with this one. Click here to apply, and here is, can you see, we got our just custom notification, custom pattern here. That's look beautiful, I think. Also we can see here the different just themes of the always on display, so that can be like clocks in different methods. Also we can set here the different images. Now for example, this one looks good. Change this color like in previously case, and by this way you can customize just the AOD feature, just what you will like. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.